Hey, this is Rob Houston, and we're here inside the temporary exhibit room at the Cherokee Strip Regional Heritage Center, where they have a powerful photography exhibit on the aftermath of war. It's one of 4 more reasons to visit Enid this week. A new photography exhibit is here at the Cherokee Strip Regional Heritage Center. It's called How We Rebuild, and it focuses on the aftermath of war and how people, communities, and countries all build after war has torn through their countries. The exhibit is organized in 3 sections: a prologue that features conflict and post-conflict photos from Bosnia, a suite of images by 4 photographers who explore historical American aftermaths, and an international wall of humanity featuring post-conflict images from around the world. This is part of the Aftermath Project, and it is here through October 20th during regular museum hours of Tuesday through Saturday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So head to the Cherokee Strip Regional Heritage Center, and when you're here, stop in the temporary exhibit gallery and see how we rebuild. Imagine planning your wedding in just one day. Not possible? Well, it could be possible this Saturday as you go to the Wedding Expo at the Stride Bank Center. It is your one-stop shop to make planning your important day as easy as possible. There'll be wedding photographers, caterers, makeup artists, planners, DJ services, and a lot more. There will also be a bridal show presented by Formal Fantasy starting at 1 p.m., and the entire day is free admission. Don't miss the Wedding Expo Saturday, 10 a.m. until 5 p.m. at the Stride Bank Center. It's double feature night Saturday at Enid Speedway. There was a race that was postponed by rain earlier in the year. They're making it up on Saturday night. So you'll get 2 runs of Sooner late model action, including factory stocks, sport mods and B mods, and hot shots. Again, they're starting at 7 o'clock. The gates open at 4. The tickets are $20 for adults, $15 for seniors, military, and children ages 12 to 15. Children under 12 are admitted free. Double the fun auto racing Saturday night at Enid Speedway. Main Street Enid's annual awards and fundraising dinner is Friday night at the Stride Bank Center. The theme this year is Glow on Main Street, and they'll have several events, including a DJ, a photo booth, a cash bar, a buffet dinner, silent auction, and several Glow-themed games. The dinner starts at 6:30 with tickets on sale now for $65 each, or a table of 8 for $600. Don't miss Glow on Main Street, the annual awards and fundraising gala for Main Street Enid. It's Friday night at the Stride Bank Center. The Garfield County Fair is Thursday through Saturday. The booths are open from 9 a.m. until 7 p.m. each day, and the premium sale comes up on Monday night. Rowdy Stick Horse's weekly farmers market is Saturday, 8 a.m. until noon. Fresh produce and other goods will be available. That's 4 or more reasons to visit Enid this week. Again, we invite you here to the Cherokee Strip Regional Heritage Center to see this special exhibit, How We Rebuild. And for more information on all the events coming to Enid, go to our website, visitenid.org.